Here we go again with another Procreate animation video. So as you can see, I already have my image on my artboard, so let's start animating. Go to the wrench tool, canvas, and then turn on the animation assist button. Now, in the new window, press on your image and set it as the background. After that, we're going to add the first frame of our animation, so press add frame. And for this animation, I'm going to use the charcoal block brush, which is kind of a chalky look. So I thought it'd be really fun to just draw on this wall and make it look like I'm singing so beautifully, singing to the birds or whatever. But you guys, I'm not even gonna hold you. I don't even know if I'm drawing these musical notes right, so yeah, please just don't come at me in the comments if these musical notes are wrong. I'm just trying to be creative, okay? But anyways, the next thing I'm gonna do is add the next frame. You'll notice that when you add a new frame, you can still see the onion skin from the previous frame. So what I like to do is go to settings and turn down the opacity of the onion skin. That way it's less distracting and you can just focus on the current frame. So here I am just tracing the previous frame and kind of using the onion skin as a guide. So I'm just tracing squiggle for squiggle, line for line, until I'm finished tracing everything. And that's basically it for this animation. You can press play to see what you have so far, and that's way too fast, so I'm gonna turn down the frames per second. And there's your wiggly animation. Okay, to save this out, go to the wrench tool, go to share, and then press animated GIF. You can adjust your frames per second, or you can just press export, and then save image. And drum roll please, there it is. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully it was helpful, and until next time, peace out.